Involvement.
Let me tell you more about involvement now and how to make the most out of your Angloville experience. At Angloville, we do our best to provide the best environment for you to have a great time, but the rest is really on you. It's all about how much you put into the programme, how much creativity, passion and interest you can put in. The more you put in, the more you get out. Obvious, right? Many of us here at Angloville have past participants' experience under our belt. It's great hearing so many stories about fellow participants improving the English of young Italian teens or professionally experienced Polish participants. But that's not what it's all about. Much of the feedback from our participants not only come from the progressions that they've made in English, but also the progressions they made in their lives. Many local participants have told us that they come onto our programmes expecting to improve their English, but walk away with a completely different mindset, a different way to think about learning English and also about life in general. Many stories come to mind in regard to this, and you can speak to many of our experienced international participants and coordinators who will tell you many stories about how you can absolutely change someone's life within a week. Here are some feedbacks and personal experiences we'd like to share with you.
1. First day syndrome for the first couple of days. It's quite common to feel overwhelmed.
After all, when was the last time you interacted with people for 10 hours a day? But don't worry, this is completely natural and you'll easily get used to it. We guarantee that you'll be missing this on the way back from the programme.
2. Fatigue management. Angloville is a lot of fun, but it's also a very intensive experience.
You will be interacting with people for 10 hours a day during speaking sessions, group activities and social time.
It's imperative that you really take those breaks and manage your time effectively in regard to your free time and the breaks in between sessions.
Each session is 50 minutes long with a 10-minute break, and it's really important to take that 10-minute break to have a coffee, relax and prepare yourself for the next session.
3. Here are 3 tips from Angloville pros.
Enjoy quiet time during your breaks on free time. A power nap always helps, and a good night's sleep will keep you rested. And of course, don't forget to drink plenty of water during your stay.
It's highly recommended not to stay up too late during your stay with us.
After all, our participants are expecting a fresh, energised conversation partner the following morning.